Currently, the rating outlook on the reinsurance sector is negative, and pretty much there we have the same broad three themes that we've had for a while. You have pressure on rate, and some of that's due to alternative capacity coming in, putting pressure on property cat rates in particular, which is displacing capacity elsewhere. Two is a low yield environment, and three, the earnings have been somewhat dependent on loss reserve development, and we know that can't be sustainable over the long term. Right now earnings have actually been decent given where yields are. We're still seeing the reinsurance composite come in at a low double-digit ROE, which is pretty good. But a lot of that is due to two things. One is a relatively benign cats, and two would be reserve development has been boosting earnings. If you stripped out the reserve development, we're probably looking at an ROE that's more in the mid-single digits. So that is not encouraging when you think of it that way. Well, capital management and cycle management has certainly been the overriding activity over the last few years. A lot of share repurchases. There's also been reinsurance companies have tried to shift to primary where they can in some cases, and also there's been certain pockets and classes of business that they've been moving into. As of late, we're seeing more M&A activity pick up, which is not surprising given where we are rather late in the soft market. Well, by and large, it's a global market, so when you look at combined ratios or ROE measures, whether it's the Bermuda market, the Europeans or Lloyd's, they more or less move together. At the same time, in the past few years, being that Bermuda is known for being a property cat market, there's been more pressure there in terms of their hitting the higher margin profitability in the Bermuda market. So I think the Bermuda players need to move rather quick, and they do, and they're going to have to position themselves strategically and appropriately in order to make sure that they can maintain those strong returns that they've delivered over the last several years.